over it and write it.
Awesome, awesome, great, great, great. So, ma'am, the if I do the research now, 98% people, 96 to 98% people don't know what they want. And when the person is not very clear what he wants, whatever is given in his plate,
Yeah,
he will be unhappy.
true.
For example, the person does not know what kind of house he wants, right? And he is staying on a footpath. And if someone gives him on being pity on him and tells ये देख झोपड़ा है 10 by 10 का चौल का झोपड़ा है तेरे नाम लिख के देता हूं तो इसमें रहा कर, what will happen to that person? If he's not, his awareness is not there, he is not clear about it, he will be not happy. He will say क्या झोपड़ा दिया मेरे को, है ना, right? Are you getting it? So what will happen? Maybe in the few course of time, he will be very unhappy and unhappy about that, and he may lose that chawl ka jhopda also, right? But if that person is aware about it, कि ठीक है यार, चलो, I'm awareness means what? The one has to just think consciously. That is very very important. People thinking that मेरे को नॉलेज आ गया, मैंने 4 बुक पढ़ ली तो मेरा लाइफ अच्छा सेट हो गया. नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, सो लाइफ क्या है पहले मैम आज देखेंगे हम लोग, बिकॉज वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू डे 2.
True.
लाइफ इज लाइक, जैसे आप कभी गेस्ट होते हो ना, किसी के यहाँ जाते हो,
Yeah.
राइट है? जब
Mm.
आप किसी के यहाँ जाते हो तो आपको सोचना पड़ता है क्या कि इसके घर में क्या है क्या नहीं. नहीं सोचते हैं ना. व्हाट डू वी डू as a guest? Just we go there and we stay there, right? What the host does, host comes and asks you क्या चाहिए, क्या खाओगे, क्या खाओगे, कहाँ घूमना है, यस और नो. कई बार अगर आप देखोगे ना तो व्हाट द पीपल डू फॉर द गेस्ट ना, वो छुट्टी ले लेते हैं. मतलब जैसे मान लो कोई क्लोज रिलेटिव आता है ना तो दे टेक अ लीव और फिर उसको ना पूरा घुमाते हैं, अपना शहर घुमाते हैं, एरिया घुमाते हैं. यहाँ पर ना ये अच्छा है घूमने के लिए, यहाँ पर ये अच्छा है घूमने के लिए, है कि नहीं है,
Yes.
राइट? यस और नो. सिमिलर वे लाइफ में हुआ क्या है कि हम लोग जो स्पिरिट हैं, हमारे पास शरीर नहीं था, राइट? So one fine day, because of something, right, a divine planning happened and we entered in this body. Now, why we entered in this body? To enjoy the life,
Yes. Yes.
so that we can eat different variety, so that we can get married, so that we can have kids, right? So that we can have relatives, so that we can have everything. Yes or no? But when we entered in this body, what happened? We got trapped. Instead of taking the things as a guest, we started behaving like a owner. Yes or no? Now that is the trap. Have you seen monkeys how they are trapped? Monkey कैसे ट्रैप करते हैं देखा है कभी आप लोगों ने? एक पिंजरा लेते हैं और उसके अंदर क्या रखते हैं? They put the groundnut. And what monkey does? They take their hand inside and they take the
Yeah.
groundnut. Now when they take the groundnut, the fist is closed. So what happens? They
They
can't
think
remove it. And if they have to remove it, what they have to do? They have to release the groundnut.
everything.
So once they release the groundnut, what happens? Their hand becomes free, they can easily remove it. But that consciousness is not there. That awareness is not there. Ki when I entered, my hand was, when I entered the hand, it was open, right? So I had to release the groundnut seeds and then I had to remove it. That one small fine thing makes a monkey trapped in that. Yes or no? Similarly, on this planet, on this life, the moment one small thing comes in our mind, there is no abundance. I have to take it. I have to take it. वेजिटेबल्स बाहर है, खेत में है, खेत से घर में लाना है. यस और नो? कितना लाके घर में रख दो? यस और नो? पैसा कितना लाके घर में रख दो? राइट? जमा का जो ये है ना, दैट इज द क्रिएटिंग द ट्रैप. मान लो आपको समझो, इफ यू वांट टू हैव वाटरमेलन, राइट? When you go to a shop, you want to buy 1, 2 or 3. But if I take you to a field, agricultural land, where there are thousand and thousand acres and acres of watermelon, Will you think there कि एक में तोड़ के बैग में डाल दो? You will not think.
Take lots.
But again, when you are there, when it is told to you that it is yours only, when this comes in your mind, it is mine only, will you think to take it and put it at home? You will not think like that. Same thing in the life. Life makes सब अपने को दिया हुआ है already, right? So there is no question of taking from the life and putting somewhere else. क्योंकि देखो बॉडी भी तो छोड़ के जाना है, yes or no, right? So अगर मान लो समुंदर आपके पास है, if you have the ocean, कितना पानी लोगे आप मैम इसमें से? Unlimited. Unlimited. If you want the unlimited water for unlimited time, what you will do? You will install a pipeline. बकेट से कितना लोगे? रोज बकेट से लेके जाओगे, खाली हो जाएगा, थक जाओगे, फिर you will take the bucket again, you will take it, right? So the best part to live the life is what? Being the trustee. Zero expectation. Expectation is the root cause of everything. Write down somewhere. Now expectation from whom? From others. खुद से होना चाहिए. सुबह मुझे उठना है, ये अच्छी बात है, राइट है? मेरा बेटा अच्छा पढ़ना चाहिए, अच्छी बात है. But again, there should not be two extreme things. If I tell you डरना नहीं चाहिए, सामने शेर आ गया, सर ने बोला डरना नहीं चाहिए, अरे तो तेरे को प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा भाई, डरना चाहिए, वहां डरना चाहिए, right? There should not be extremism. There has to be a balance in the life. So it's a like a ocean of the life. अगर मान लो आपको पानी नहीं चाहिए तो आप क्या करोगे? पाइपलाइन डालोगे. Similarly, नेचर के अंदर भी क्या करना है? If you want people around you, what you have to do? You have to make a pipeline so that you get connected with the people. How you get connected? अपना कुछ हम लोगों का ट्रस्ट हो सकता है, कुछ सोशल सर्कल हो सकता है, फ्रेंड्स को डेली कॉल कर सकते हैं, जूम पे बात कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं मैम. ये ओशियन ऑफ लाइफ है. देयर इज अबंडेंस. ओके, सो इंस्टॉलिंग द पाइपलाइन इन द ओशियन ऑफ लाइफ, ये क्या करेगा हमको? व्हाट इट विल डू? विल एक्सपैंड आवर कॉन्शियसनेस. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट बुद्धा?
Yes.
What is Buddha? Aware person, enlightened person. Who was the guru? No one was the guru. He was sitting below that people tree, right? So base thing, when you sit in the nature automatically makes your awareness. You don't have to search, ये मुझे सिखाएगा, वो मुझे सिखाएगा, ये मुझे सिखाएगा. कुछ कोई सिखाता नहीं. देखो कभी भी कहीं लिखा हुआ है क्या? आम का झाड़ लिखा हुआ रहता है कि मेरे पास ये नॉलेज है, मेरे को ऐसे खाओ? कहीं किधर लिखा हुआ दिखता है क्या? गाय बोलती है कि मैं गाय हूं, मेरे दूध का ये फायदा है. नेचर में कहीं भी कुछ भी लिखा हुआ मिलता है क्या? नेचर में, हाँ, लोगों ने लिखा हुआ अलग स्टोरी है. नेचर में आपको कभी भी कुछ भी लिखा हुआ नहीं मिलेगा. तो नेचर को कैसे सीखना होता है? टू लर्न द नेचर वी हैव टू बिकम अवेयर ऑफ इट. We have to just sit, we have to put attention on it, right? So what is consciousness? Consciousness is knowledge plus understanding plus awareness. Mark it very, very important. Now one simple question, ma'am. Done, ma'am? Mathli, ma'am, done? Okay. So what is your consciousness? First thing, your knowledge has to improve. Now how we can improve the knowledge? Either we learn from the books or we learn from the masters, right? Coaches, or we sit and we do the meditation by which we can get some intuitions. That is one way. How to improve understanding? By paying attention on the person. Yes or no? Like we try to control the people. Root cause many of the times is controlling the people. तुझे समझता नहीं है क्या? उसको समझता नहीं है, लेकिन फ्रस्ट्रेशन किधर हो रहा है? अपने अंदर हो रहा है, राइट? So that is again a root cause. ठीक है? अवेयरनेस कैसे बढ़ेगा मैम? How will become more aware?
knowing more about that.
Awareness comes when you put yourself in that stage and you start thinking about it. So ये तीनों डायमेंशन बहुत जरूरी है, नॉलेज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड अवेयरनेस. When you start paying attention around the things, you just simply now observe the things. Observation is the key point. Nowadays now we are observing people for finding their mistakes. Yes or no? तूने ये गलती करा, तूने ये गलती करा, राइट है? जब कभी भी हस्बैंड वाइफ के झगड़े तो कैसे झगड़े होते हैं, देखा है कभी? तेरे से शादी करके मैंने गलती कर दी, तुमने क्या दे दिया मेरे को 25 साल में, है कि नहीं है? मैं तो पूरी, मेरे तो करम ही फूट गए, है ना? मेरी तो नसीब ही खराब हो गई. 30 साल में तुमने मेरे को, मतलब क्या? ठीक है. What I'm trying to tell is, whenever people fight, just see their words. What do they talk? They always talk all the negative things which are happening in their life. Yes or no?
Can you repeat that? They always talk.
And when people fight, they see the negative things, problems in each other, and they fight.
Yeah.
There may be 1,000 good things,
Yeah.
but they're not paying attention. Let's say a lady who is very good in working, right? She is very good in the office. She is working woman, right? But if the husband has to fight with her, he will fight with her with the negative side of her. Let's say she has never done cooking. Let's take an example. She is a working woman. Whole life she has worked in a big company. She is in the HR, maybe into IT, maybe something else, right? And where the husband will fight with her with the weak point. तेरे को चटनी बनाने नहीं आता है, खाना बनाने नहीं आता है, तेरे को क्या फायदा शादी करके? Yes or no? He may have the 10 good qualities, but where he will find? He will find the one negative part. Now what is happening because of that? I was talking yesterday. I was telling, कभी किसी को हंस हंस के झगड़ा करके देखा है क्या? तू तो बड़ी अच्छी है ना? तू कितनी सुंदर है ना? ऐसे कभी देखा है हंस हंस के झगड़ा करते हुए? कभी नहीं. झगड़े में क्या निकलता है इंसान का? नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स. और ये अंदर क्या है? कहीं ना कहीं अंदर पकड़ा हुआ है. So we have to become more aware. कैसे अवेयर होंगे? कैसे कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ाएंगे? We have to accept the people exactly as they are. तो क्या बोलना क्या है? बोलना क्या है? माना कि मेरे हस्बैंड में ये 10 अच्छाइयां हैं और ये 2 बुराइयां हैं, फिर भी हस्बैंड तो मेरा ही है ना. अभी क्या करेंगे? एक्सेप्ट करेंगे उसको, है कि नहीं है? यस और नो? इसको बोलना है और समझना है, अपना कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ाना है, राइट है? बेटी है, मान लो बेटी 30 साल की हो गई, उसको कुछ समझता नहीं है, मान लो, राइट है? अभी मम्मी ने कभी सिखाया ही नहीं उसको, मम्मी ने कभी किचन में लेके गई ही नहीं कि तू ये चीज कर, तो कहां से सीखेगी बेचारी, है कि नहीं? तो मम्मी ने क्या बोलना चाहिए? चलो मान लिया कि मेरी बेटी को कुछ नहीं आता है, लेकिन मैंने भी सिखाया कहाँ उसको, राइट है? तो मैं क्या करूंगी? कल से उसको बुलाऊंगी, बोलूंगी देख बेटा अभी तू 30 साल की हो गई है, अभी तेरी शादी होने वाली है, तू अपने घर जाएगी, तो तेरे को किचन का कुछ तो काम आना चाहिए ना. नहीं मम्मी मैं नौकरानी रख लूंगी. हाँ ठीक है बेटा नौकरानी रख लेगी, लेकिन तेरे को कभी तो मन करेगा ना कि कुछ मैं भी बनाऊं, है ना? तो तेरे को कुछ तो आना चाहिए. बेटा एक काम कर, चल चाय बनाने से सीख ले, है ना? धीरे धीरे तेरे को बेटा रोज एक चीज सिखाऊंगी मैं. एटलीस्ट शी विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग एंड हर कॉन्शियसनेस विल इंक्रीज. हाउ? नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ेगी. क्योंकि देखो होता क्या है आजकल मालूम है, विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, विदाउट अवेयरनेस लोगों को हम लोग नॉलेज देने जाते हैं, हाँ या ना? ज्ञान बोलते हैं ना, ज्ञान बांटना शुरू कर दिया, सवेरे उठ जाओ क्या है ये? नॉलेज है. वो क्या बोलेगा? ए चौधरी चल, है ना? ज्ञान तेरे पास रख, है कि नहीं है? इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. गुरुजी बोलते हैं कि इफ यू हैव टू सो द सीड, द लैंड हैज टू बी फर्टाइल. Don't sow the seed first. If you bring the seed and put it on the table, it is not going to germinate. You have to first make the land fertile. So prepare the people mind first. How to make the people mind first ready? By simply talking to them, making them understand. Now forget about the people. First you talk to self also. We have to learn to talk to self. Every stage we need to talk to self. सवेरे मान लो उठना है और मन से आया अरे यार छोड़ना कंटाला आ रहा है, तो पूछने का अपने आप को, हाँ लेकिन इफ आई स्लीप व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट विल आई गेट आउट ऑफ इट? अच्छा इफ आई गेट अप व्हाट विल आई गेट आउट ऑफ इट? ask, talk to yourself. Every moment talk to yourself. मन बोलेगा थोड़ा सा चाय पी लेते हैं, ठीक है आज चाय पी लेंगे. What will happen tomorrow? What will happen day after tomorrow? Talk to yourself. The more you talk to yourself, the more will be your awareness, the more will be your understanding, the more will be your consciousness. So are you ready?
Yes.
Anjana ma'am can't see you. Can you put on the video if possible? If possible. Okay. So first thing, ma'am, we all have to become uncomfortable. So task for today is we have to find out all our habits. Past के habits को देखना है हमको, right है? क्योंकि आइंस्टाइन क्या बोलता है? आइंस्टाइन says कि जो habits हमको problem create कराती हैं, वही habits solution नहीं दे सकती है. Habits which create the problem, same habit cannot give you solution. There has to be an opposite of the habits. So we have to start doing opposite. So problem will get converted into solution. So now you have to tell me, ma'am, what is your comfort zone that is giving you pain? What is your comfort zone which is giving you pain?
Comfort zone, if I have to say, probably I have been in a company for the past 14 years. I'm very comfortable there. But I'm not able to now go outside to any new company. My mindset is okay, I will be in this company itself. I mean,
So
no challenge for new learning.
During this period of 14 years, did you ever thought that I have to become competent, I have to improve my skills, I have to work on my skills?
That's something which never, came to my mind because I was in a comfortable zone. So whatever.
It used to get up, you go to the office, come back. There is no new skill add up into your life, right?
Yes.
Now, when we are in a comfortable zone, we are not learning, we are not growing. And if there is a threat, then we start fearing. And that wrong chemicals gets created in the body. For example, a person who is joining an office, and if he has worked there for 1 year or 2 years, the skill addition is almost zero. And what he does on top of that, he takes a loan. लोन पे क्या करेगा? वो कार ले लेगा. अच्छा, बॉस को बोलेगा भी मैंने कार लिया. बॉस बोलेगा अच्छा. लोन पे क्या करेगा? वो घर ले लेगा. बॉस को बोलेगा मैंने घर ले लिया. अभी बॉस को मालूम पड़ेगा इसके सर पे क्या है? लोन है, राइट है? तो बॉस क्या करेगा? कुछ ना कुछ टेंट्रम खेलेगा. एक काम बढ़ाएगा, 2 काम बढ़ाएगा, 3 काम बढ़ाएगा. अगर उस बंदे ने, if that person has not worked on his skill and enhancement, what will happen? He will not be able to leave the job. And if he has really worked on the skill or enhancement, what will happen? He will clearly say, boss, I think this is the time where we have to end ourselves. I have to quit the job as I'm getting a good job with a double pay package, better salary, better everything, right? And he will put a resignation and he will leave the job. But to do that, one has to work on themselves. Right? So one has to come out of the comfort zone. Now again, comfort zone से बाहर आने के लिए we require energy, and that can come only when our consciousness has increased. That will not come. It will not come just by saying comfort zone से बाहर आ जाओ, सवेरे उठ जाओ. अगर सवेरे उठ जाओ, बोलने से सवेरे उठ जाता इंसान तो सब उठ जाते, हाँ या ना? अभी 6 बजे अपना सेशन हो रहा है, ये भी अपने आप में एक बड़ी बात है. Yes or no?
Yes.
Many of the people are taking the session at 4:30. एक स्टूडेंट है, वो योगा लेती है. She takes the yoga at 4:30 morning. लाइव लेती है, मैं चाहिए तो लिंक भेज दूंगा if you all are interested. 4:30 मॉर्निंग में वो लड़की योगा लेती है. एज कितनी होगी? अराउंड 16-17 इयर्स की एज रहेगी. Now why she started that? सब में से ना पागल हो गई है क्या? तेरी उम्र कितनी है? सो जा, 4:30 बज रहे, सो जा. No, not like that. When I started my yoga practices, I used to get up at 3 o'clock. 3:30 we have to start our practices, right? So 3:30 to 5 o'clock we used to have to the practices. So what I am trying to say that comfort zone अपना check करना है, not सामने वाले का check करना है. So today's task is you have to find out your comfort zone. What is your comfort zone that is not allowing you to grow? Okay, Anjana ji, are you there? Can you unmute? Anjana ji, hello, hello, mic check. Not audible. Okay, let's go ahead. Next, becoming uncomfortable. Now, very, very important. Huh? Jim Rohn says, Jim Rohn is the coach of Tony Robbins. He used to say always, you cannot hire someone to do your push-ups. Anything in the life, when I say always, for anything in the life, you cannot hire anybody else. For example, if you are hungry, can you hire someone and say, तू जाके पोहा खा ले, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. यूरिन जाना है, कैन यू से समवन, प्यून को बोल सकते हो एक काम कर, मेरा ब्लैडर फुल है लेकिन एक काम कर, चूंकि मेरे पास पेपर वर्क है तो जाके मेरे बदले यूरिन करके आ जा. एनीथिंग, ड्रेसअप करना है, बेदिंग करना है, राइट है, चश्मा पहनना है, व्हाटएवर, मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी हैव टू डू बाय आवरसेल्फ. कोई कितना भी बड़ा होगा, पैसे वाला होगा, उसको पॉटी करने खुद ही जाना पड़ता है. यस और नो? नाश्ता उसको खुद ही करना पड़ता है. He cannot say that कि नौकर को कि तू खा ले, तेरे पेट से मैं वो सारा न्यूट्रिएंट्स खींच लूंगा. नहीं हो सकता है. Technically not possible. One has to work on their stomachs, intestine, everything, right? So who is the control of the life? Only you have to do it, because comfortable with becoming uncomfortable. My coach Jack Canfield always says one thing. When I did Jack Canfield course, he changed my mindset like anything. He said, please write down this in your notebook. Your problem is your opportunity. Your growth begins. Your growth begins when you have a problem or challenge. मान लो कोई लड़का है और उसके सर पे कभी घर की जिम्मेदारी नहीं थी, अचानक समझो फादर एक्सपायर कर गए फॉर XYZ रीजंस. अब वो घर में सबसे बड़ा है, छोटी 2 सिस्टर है, मम्मी है, उसको क्या करना है, पूरा घर देखना है. अभी मम्मी किसको देखेगी? अभी बड़े बेटे को देखेगी, हाँ या ना? बड़ा बेटा बोलेगा मम्मी क्या करने का, मम्मी बोलेगी अभी बेटा तू देख क्या है, पापा तो तेरे नहीं रहे अभी. अब क्या हुआ, एक तरह से क्या हुआ उसके लाइफ में, पहाड़ टूट गया. क्या पहाड़ टूट गया? पापा अचानक चले गए, राइट है. अब पापा समझदार होंगे तो शायद कुछ प्रॉपर्टी छोड़ के जाएंगे, बैंक बैलेंस, इंश्योरेंस छोड़ के जाएंगे. शायद उनका अवेयरनेस कम होगा तो क्या छोड़ के जाएंगे वो? कर्जा, लोन. है कि नहीं? जैसे ही पापा गुजरे शायद लोग आ जाएंगे, बोलेंगे तेरे बाबा ने मेरे से 1000 रुपया लिया था, कोई बोलेगा 10,000 लिया था, कोई बोलेगा 1 लाख लिया. झूठ बोलने वालों का क्या लियो, हो सकता है कुछ भी, राइट? But that time, उस moment में the child becomes uncomfortable. But in long run, the child grows. That is very, very essential thing. So what you have to do, everybody, those who are there today, you all have to think and find out what is my comfort zone and what I am suffering because of that. Okay. So now the power of commitment. So write down your commitment. Whatever you want to do, write down the commitment. You declare. I always tell the people declare. Now, when I say class will happen at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. or class will start at 6 a.m. What is it? I am committed now. Yes or no? Now, when I have declared that class will be at 6 o'clock, I don't have a skip, right? I don't have a reasoning. I can't say, nahin, aaj class nahi hogi. I'm not keeping well. My system is not doing this. Challenge will come, no doubt. Electricity may not be there. Internet may not be there. System may not be there. But it's my responsibility to fix it up because I had given the commitment.
Yes.
So once you are committed for anything, right, what happens? You start taking massive action.
Okay.
That is very, very important, right? So you have to be committed and if possible, declare it in the public. If possible, declare in the public. Let's say someone has to change a job. वो क्या करेगा? वो अगर अपने बॉस को बोले, बॉस मेरे को एक अच्छा जॉब मिल गया है ना, और मेरा अगले महीने 15 तारीख को अपॉइंटमेंट है ना, और बॉस यहाँ से ना मेरे को डबल, झूठा ही सही, नहीं मिला उसको जॉब, एक खेलने में क्या जाता है कि नहीं है? बॉस को बोल सकते हैं, बॉस ऐसा है ना, मेरे को एक नया जॉब मिला है और यहाँ से डबल सैलरी है, ऐसा है वैसा है, और अगले महीने मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट है, तो क्या करूं बॉस? ऐसे आइडिया, बॉस मैं रेजिग्नेशन दे दूं क्या? देखो बॉस का पूरा माइंडसेट चेंज हो जाएगा। कहाँ बॉस दबा रहा था, जैसे ही आप बोलोगे ना मैं छोड़ दूं, बॉस का माइंडसेट चेंज हो जाएगा। बॉस बोलेगा अच्छा कौन सी कंपनी है, अच्छा, शायद उसको भी छोड़ने का मन कर रहा हो शायद वो भी कुछ बोलेगा, या अदर वे राउंड, वो बोलेगा अच्छा एक काम कर, तू क्यों छोड़ के जा रहा है, रुक ना मैं तेरा बात करता हूँ सीनियर से, थोड़ा सा सैलरी यहाँ पर ही बढ़ा के दे देते हैं, है ना? मे बी सम अदर वे। मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ अगर कोई सामने वाला बोले ना कि मैं तेरे को निकाल दूंगा, तो आप उसको बोले एक काम कर, मैं ही छोड़ देता हूँ। Don't be with the people, those who don't respect you, don't what I can say, praise for your good things. Don't stay with such people. They all are blood suckers. They will suck your blood and they will kill you, whoever it may be. I'm not saying the person is how close to you, okay? It may be your own mother. If she has the habit of putting you down every day, pointing out your mistakes, tell her one fine day. I have done this with my mother. My mother used to find out all the mistakes in me. Since childhood, I had never told her. But now, at this age, I thought when I took control of the life, I took a decision to tell her, Mama, you will see all the good things in me. For correction, yes, you have the right to tell me, but just putting me every day down, I will not allow. You can go and stay wherever you want. Because even I am a human being, I also get affected by your words and your thoughts. And anybody is going to affect it. We are not that bulletproof people, yes or no? Someone comes and tells you you are lazy, you are good for nothing, and you think that नहीं बोलने में आसान है कि मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, but the honest thing is that फर्क पड़ता है। Yes or no, मैथिली जी? फर्क पड़ता है कि नहीं पड़ता?
Yes, very true. Very true.
फर्क पड़ता है। So it may be a husband, it may be a wife, it may be anybody else, right? My wife always
Our boss also.
huh?
Our boss also.
Anybody. I used to tell my boss always, मैं मेरे बॉस को बोलता था, boss please pay attention here. You gave me the appointment, I accepted, so we are here for the work. I'm not here for your all the ego, all your frustration. Just talk to me in the terms of work only. And that also, you have to tell me how to do in that time period. If you tell me कि इतना सारा काम करो, and if my working time is 8 hours, right? Out of 8 hours, अगर 2 घंटे मेरा leisure time है, खाना पीना and all that, expect only 5 to 6 hours of constructive working time. If you are adding more, tell me how and when to do. Don't tell me blindly कि कर दो. Don't expect me to work 24 hours, because my life has been divided into multiple dimensions. I have to give time to my wife, I have to give time to my daughter, I have to give time to my mother. There are all the dimensions. I'm not here for 24/7. So we have to be in good terms with our people. Maybe the boss, maybe the husband, maybe the daughter. Daughter भी अगर कुछ आगे बोल के जाती है उसको प्यार से बोलने का. Like my daughter used to call me हाथी हाथी हाथी. She used to play a lot with me. I told her, बेटा देख अभी पापा पतले हो गए ना, अभी हाथी दिखता हूँ क्या? हाँ पापा, बट थोड़ा सा और कम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, 110 to 70 ठीक है, मे बी 5 किलो 10 किलो और. What I am trying to tell is to talk to everybody. Do not allow someone to betray you. Don't give that authority. Confront them. Call and ask. मेरे अंदर एक बुराई दिखी, अच्छाई दिखी नहीं क्या? चल अच्छाई भी बता. एक बुराई बोल, मैं अलाउ करूंगी 9 अच्छाई बता के जाने का. Yes or no? And that is the golden rule. And if people are not doing that, now you start practicing it. I want everyone to, whenever you talk to the people now, talk some good about them. Always talk some good about them. At least one good thing you talk to them. Make 10 calls to your friends, maybe school का time, college का time, office का time, whatever. 10 लोग का नाम निकालने का, call करने का, and talk to them some good things. One good thing. अरे तेरे को मालूम है जब तू स्कूल में थी क्या तेरा ड्रेसिंग सेंस था, क्या तू कपड़े पहनती थी, तेरा वो फ्रॉक देख के ना हम लोग सोचते थे यार क्या कपड़े का कलर चॉइस है इसका. वो जो तू बाल बना दी थी, 9th में थी तो क्या बाल बना के आती थी, वो इधर क्लिप है ना. सारे लड़के तेरे को ही देखते थे, हम लोग जलते थे थोड़े से इसको. हम तो ऐसे खुला बाल करके आते थे, बॉब कट कटवा लिया था. बाल बनाने के चक्कर में हम लोग ने बाल कटवा लिया था. लेकिन तूने तो मस्त चोटी बनाती थी, इधर क्लिप, इतने बड़े बाल तेरे, क्या तू सच के आती थी. प्रेज पर्सन फॉर वन गुड थिंग. It may be anybody. See how the things will change. You will get more energy and you will start coming out of your comfort zone. क्योंकि comfort zone से बाहर आने के लिए भी क्या लगेगी? एनर्जी लगेगी ना. Do you agree with me? कोई भी एक्शन के लिए एनर्जी लगती है, right? Okay. Fine. Now question for today, ma'am. Why are you in this 5-day challenge? What are you expecting in 5-day challenge? And what are your expectations? Today we will close the session here. I want you all to write down this in your notebook and send me by today evening. Okay. So whatever assignment I am giving every day, you all have to complete and send me by same day evening 9 o'clock so that we can be ready for the next day session. So कल का क्या था? गोल था. और आज का क्या है? What are your comfort zones? You have to find it out. And then second task is this. Why are you here? What you are seeking from the session? What are your expectations? Any questions, ma'am? Want to ask anything?
Nothing right now.
So
there are two questions. This is one. These are one. And what is my comfort zone? Huh?
You have to find out your comfort zone that is giving you pain.
Okay.
Because if comfort zone is giving you pleasure, then what's the problem? You are in a good habit, na? I'm talking about a bad habit part that is giving you pain. You क्या है, ma'am? Please understand. Our habits, good habit means good lifestyle. That means life of abundance. Bad habit, bad lifestyle, life of pain and misery. So we have to work on the habits. Simple. Habit बदलेंगे, lifestyle बदल जाएगी. Life will be full of abundance. Yes or no? Acceptance is important. Awareness is important. Consciousness is important. मान लो कोई व्यक्ति है और उसके पास 10,000 रुपये महीने की सैलरी आती है. So what he has to do? He has to go and find a room where the rent is 2,000. चॉल का रूम छोटा सा 10 बाय 10 का, राइट है, जाके उसको लेना है, राइट है, सामने वाले को बोलना है भाई मेरे पास डिपॉजिट के पैसे नहीं है, मैं हर महीने रेंट दे दूंगा। 2000 रुपया उसने क्या भरा, रेंट भरा। राशन वाले के यहाँ गया, वेजिटेबल वाले के यहाँ, बोला भाई देख मैं 2 से 3000 रुपये में मेरे को राशन चाहिए, राइट है, इतना ही मैं कर सकता हूँ। 500 रुपये का लाइट बिल भरा उसने, और 1000 रुपये का उसने अपना इंश्योरेंस कर लिया, मे बी LIC, मे बी एनीथिंग एल्स, राइट, and he is saving 1000 rupees as a FD or RD for the future, maybe mutual fund investment, whatever. So he is assuming कि मेरा 8000 ही हाथ में आ रहा है, 2000 is my future investment. If that person divides 10,000, will he able to take control of the life? Yes. Will he able to live a life of betterment? Yes. And then he can plan, because he is now planned and relaxed. But the person who is earning 10,000 and he is staying in a flat where the rent is 10,000, he is taking loan on the credit card, he is not taking the decision just because सालों से उस घर में रहते आया है वो रेंट पे, when he was earning 1 lakh, what will be his life? Miserable. He will go in the future understanding, मेरे को अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, अच्छा सैलरी मिलेगा, ठीक है रे, but what is the present scenario? Your boat is sinking. Leave it now. So in this scenario, Corona period, when people talk to me, sir, kya kare? I used to tell them, go as per the present scenario. Right? If you don't have the money, vacate the flat. Go to a chalka room, which is your comfort zone. Right? Comfort means understand. Comfort zone means one has to understand the dynamics of it. If you are eating rice and dal and you are having gas and vomiting and pitta, what is it? Eating rice dal is comfort, but it is not working for your body. So don't eat it. So that we have to find out what is my comfort zone that is giving me pain. That is the comfort zone I'm talking about. I'm not saying that you are working with a company and you are growing and you are very happy with this, right? And you are increasing your skill and all that, and then you leave it. No, that is not the comfort zone. Understand the meaning of the comfort zone. Right? Is this clear, ma'am? Mathli, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Any other questions? So session is very, very clear.
Yes.
Want to share something about today's session? What did you learn today in 1 minute? Summarize it.
One main point is zero expectation. Zero expectation will definitely make life simple. This is one. I have from the time I have been listening, attending your session. One thing I have heard about this zero expectation. In fact, the zero expectation has for the, I think for the past say 1 month, after listening to this, I have started reducing my expectations from others, be it my husband or anybody, my sisters or anybody. I'm not expecting anything from them. Usually I had a lot of expectation. Now I've thought I have to work on myself. I will not expect anything from you. Today's session of commitment is also, I liked it very much. So this commitment, this expectation, and talking to ourselves to know more about ourselves, I feel that is very, very important. And another thing, whenever I talk to others, I have to definitely talk one good thing about them, so that it makes them happy and makes their day also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Four things I will do it.
Great, great, great. Thank you, Pranam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye, 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 bye.
Anything
else?
Nothing so far, sir.
Okay, okay. So session will end now. Okay,
yeah.
And I'll send the recording with you. Okay.
Okay.
Watch the recordings, go through it, write it down.